Today we're going to be talking about the 10-12 Common Geographic Features assignment found in the Week 9 module. So that is right here. We're going to go ahead and click it. It's going to bring us to our directions. So at the top we have our lesson compelling questions. How have geographic features impacted human history? Where did river valley civilizations begin? And what roles did rivers play in the beginning of human settlement? Our central question for this week, or for this lesson, is how did the development of agriculture affect the lives of people in early civilizations and their environment? So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to make a folder within a folder on Google Drive so that you can drop all of your Unit 3 stuff into one place and not have to sift through all of your other information or other assignments from previous lessons. So to do that, you're going to go to Google Drive. And you're going to open up your 2021 Social Studies folder, which mine is right here. I'm going to open that up. Okay. Now we're going to make a new folder within this folder. So we're going to click the new button up here in the top left corner, if it cooperates. And we're going to create a folder. We're going to title this folder Unit 3, Mesopotamia, because that is where we are currently going to be studying, is in Mesopotamia. So we're going to hit create. So now for the next little bit here, we will be working on putting stuff into this portion of our social studies folder. Scroll down to the directions. So the directions state, open up the assignment document by clicking here. So I'm going to click the highlighted yellow. Make a copy of the document and change the title so that it includes your first and last name before the name of the assignment. Drop it into your unit folder. So this is the 10-12 assignment for today. We're going to go up to File, make a copy, and we are going to change it so that we get rid of copy of, and you're going to include your name. So I would include that one, and then the rest of it is right there. So we're going to hit OK. Oop. No, we're not going to hit OK. You're going to look here in your, where it says folder. You can change it so that it goes to a specific folder. So you just click the little arrows. You saw that I clicked into my drive. Now I'm going to click into the 2021 folder. And now I'm going to click into Mesopotamia. So now that I select it, it will automatically drop it there. And then I'll close out of the one where I needed to make a copy of. So I'll just have open mine. If you didn't catch how to drop it into your social studies folder or your unit folder from the make a copy portion, we can go ahead and do the same thing by coming up here to the top by the title and clicking the folder with the arrow that says move. And you can go through the same steps and then move it to your Unit 3 folder. Okay, follow all directions and complete tasks 1, 2, and 3. Notice that the task numbers are highlighted in purple. That matches to the assignment that is also highlighted in purple. So our objective today is to describe common geographic features and explain how they might affect the people that encounter them. So task 1 is the introduction. You're going to take a look at this picture and you're going to answer the questions in the text boxes. So about the picture, identify 3 things you notice, identify 2 things you think about the image or the scene shown, and write down 1 question you have about the image. You're then going to go ahead and make some inferences or assumptions. You're going to come down here to 4, 5, and 6. And you're going to pretend that if you lived there in this scene, right here, what life would be like. And you're just going to answer those underneath 4, 5, and 6. Task number 2, what are geographic features? So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the information that is given, and you're going to answer the question. So based on the definition provided here, can you identify any geographic features in your community? And then you're just going to go ahead and scroll to task number 3. Task number 3 is a little bit more fun. So you're actually going to drag and drop these pictures. So directions for task 3 state, using the word bank below, match each image with the correct geographic feature, then compare your responses to your partner. We're going to not compare our responses. So you're going to look at the word bank up top, and you're going to move the images by clicking and dragging them. So for this one, obviously this is a mountain. You're going to click it, and you're going to drag it and place it underneath the, oh, there we go, underneath the image, or underneath the proper category. And you would go through and just finish the rest of them like that. So direction number 3, for task number 4, use the following Google Slides linked here in green. Notice that task number 4 is highlighted in blue, so that matches your task number 4 on your assignment document, also highlighted in blue. So we're going to open up the Google Slides, highlighted in green. This is not something that you need to make a copy of because you're just going to use it. So in class, we would post these up on the wall so that you could see the pictures and have the definition underneath it. It's called a gallery walk. But because we are in this virtual world, we had to create and do it a little bit differently. So we put it into Google Slides. So the first picture of every grouping will be the pictures. So this would be what you would see on the wall. And then it's going to have the title. And then after you look at the pictures, you would, in theory, flip the paper up and you would see the definition underneath it, okay? And the rest of the slides follow in that same format. Okay, so using those posters, and ignore this, using those posters or the Google slideshow, you're going to write down the notes of what you would describe that as. So not just, I don't want you to just write down the definition. I want you to look at the pictures and the definition and come up with a description in your own words. Okay, so that is for all of them: plain, mountain, desert, river, sea, and ocean. So again, guys, you are not coming up, you're not just writing the definition. You are looking at the pictures that you see and reading the definition, and in your own words, coming up with a description in your own words. After you do that, you can find a symbol or a picture that represents it online. So to do that, you would go to Google, and I'm just going to type in mountain and click images. And you're going to go to copy, or right click it, copy image, go back to your assignment, and in the symbol box, you're going to right click and you're going to copy paste. And that is how you put an image into the box. Make sure it is a different image than the ones that are displayed in the gallery walk. Once you have finished all of the assignments, this is not for a grade, so you will not be turning it in. Make sure that you have dropped it into your unit folder. If you finish this assignment early, you are free to go. If you have work that you need to make up, please use this time wisely to do that. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email, or you may go back into the directions and review the directions that way. Good luck and have a great day.